We're carving linoleum today, so you can see I've drawn my design out with all the Sharpie and I made my lines really thick. That's very important to how my design is going to print. I've already started carving the details, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all is the tools. So it opens up the bottom and all the tools are in the bottom. The bigger the number, the wider it is. So I want to start with something narrow. 1, 2, or 3. If I have poor self-control, probably a 2 or a 1. But this nice sharp edge, so you do not want this to cut you, so this should never touch your skin, okay? I'm going to show you how to carve to be safe. Some of these twists, these red-handled ones, the blue-handled ones, actually just pull right here. But what this does is it goes in between the C and the ball, and then I can either let it pop down or tighten it up. And then it's going to hold this in place. Now, I have this iron next to me, so you can use this to warm up your linoleum. You're just going to place it on here for about 5 seconds, and then it will warm up, and it makes this linoleum a lot easier to carve. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I am going around the edges. I am not carving on my line. I am carving on the outside of the line, because I'm going to start by getting rid of my background, because I want my background I've already made with my styrofoam print to show through. So you can see that I am carving around slowly, and notice how I'm moving the linoleum around. I'm always keeping my arm in between me and the carving tool. The carving tool never goes towards my body because I like my organs inside, right? And I don't want bleeding fingers or wrists. So you do have to be very careful, and that is part of your grade, guys. Am I carving correctly away from my body and away from my hand? I never put my hand here and carve towards it because I don't want stitches, okay? So just always carving away from your body. When you get to a part that's cooled, you are just going to use your iron again. Hold it on there no more than 5 seconds. You don't want to burn the linoleum or make it so hot you can't touch it. You're just trying to soften it up, so this tool can glide its way around, okay? And see how I am curving the linoleum each time away from my body, so I never have to cut towards my body, okay? And that may require a lot of spinning and turning and thinking, but you can do it. All right, and that's how we carve. Once I get done with this, I can switch to a larger number, and I can use that to take out more space.